ever pondered the art of crafting the perfect barbecue? The tantalizing aroma, the sizzle of the grill, and the mouth-watering taste of expertly cooked meat. It's a culinary symphony that delights the senses. But a great barbecue isn't just about firing up the grill and throwing on some meat. It's a process, an art form even. And today, we're diving into the step-by-step method of creating an unforgettable barbecue experience. Start with the meat selection. Quality matters here. Choose fresh cuts, preferably from a local butcher who can advise you on the best options for barbecuing. Whether it's beef, pork, or chicken, it's important to pick cuts with a good amount of fat for juiciness and flavor. Next, we move to the art of marinating. This step infuses your chosen meat with flavor and tenderizes it. Prepare a marinade that complements your meat choice. A combination of oil, acid like vinegar or citrus juice, and your choice of herbs and spices usually does the trick. Allow the meat to soak in this flavor bath for at least 4 hours, overnight if possible. Now let's talk about the grill. Cleanliness is key here. A clean grill prevents the meat from sticking and ensures it cooks evenly. Preheat the grill to the right temperature before you place your meat. High heat sears the meat, locking in juices, while a lower temperature cooks it through without burning. It's time for the main event, grilling. Place your meat on the grill and let it cook undisturbed for a few minutes to allow for a good sear. Resist the temptation to constantly flip or move the meat around. Patience is a virtue in grilling. As the meat cooks, brush it with a basting sauce to keep it moist and add extra flavor. When it's cooked to your desired level, remove it from the grill and let it rest for a few minutes. This allows the juices to redistribute throughout the meat. And finally, serve your barbecue with a side of your choice. Be it a fresh salad, baked beans, or classic coleslaw, the right side dish elevates your barbecue to a complete meal. In summary, a great barbecue begins with the selection of quality meat, followed by a good marinade. A clean, preheated grill ensures your meat cooks perfectly, while patience and a good basting sauce enhance its flavor. Remember to let your cooked meat rest before serving it with your chosen side dish. So there you have it, the method to the madness, the secret to the sizzle, the path to perfect barbecuing. It's not just about cooking a piece of meat, it's about creating an experience, a feast for the senses. It's about the joy of crafting something delicious with your own two hands. It's about the love of barbecue.